Hey, fifth graders. This is Mr. Lee. Hope you're all doing well. So this week in Design Tech, I'm going to have you revisit Tinkercad a little bit and do some Tinkercading skills. And they're pretty wide open design challenges. So if you hopefully remember, you're going to go to tinkercad.com. We're going to click Sign In. Remember, you're going to use Sign In with Google. You're going to use your MMUUSD account. And in mine's automatically signing in because I'm already signed into my Google account. It should bring you right to your dashboard, which is all right there. Here it is. And what we're going to be doing this week is first thing we're going to be doing is bobbleheads. So you've probably seen this in my classroom. It's a little bobblehead with this head's a little bobbly because the head's a little too big, but not bad. Base is too small. I've fixed that in the design. So I'm going to open up my design so you can see the actual computer design of this. It's loading here. There we go. So a couple of things. You can sort of make this be whatever you want in terms of a bobblehead. You want to make sure your base, though, I'm going to give you a couple of specs here. So you want your base to be 60 by 60 millimeters. Make sure 60 by 60 millimeters. And you need to have a 10 millimeter by 10 millimeter hole, not only in the bottom part of your bobblehead that's going to attach to your base, but I'm going to orbit up here. I'm just going to take this whole head here and flip it over 180 degrees. And you'll notice there's the hole there. So I have a 10 millimeter hole. I have a 10 millimeter diameter hole, and that hole is also 12 millimeters deep. And so it doesn't need to be that deep, but it can be close to that. So a 12 millimeter hole in the top, and then it's maybe about 6 millimeters in each. So it's like sort of one hole split between the two. So 6 millimeters deep in there, 6 millimeters deep in there. So you can actually use the same hole and then group it if you want. And this can be as sort of realistic or as non-realistic as you want. If you really want to challenge yourself, you could try and make a bobblehead that looked just like you. That would be super awesome. Otherwise, this week's challenge is a bobblehead. So see what you can do. And I'll be posting sort of a second challenge video later on. I'm going to be making this design public so you can sort of take a look at it. And you can look it up under my name. We've done that before. And I'll be linking also some reminders on how to use some Tinkercad stuff. Hopefully you have a mouse at home. It's a lot easier to use Tinkercad with a mouse. If not, hopefully you can get one. All right. Feel free to email me if you have any questions or concerns. Hope you're well. Talk to you soon.